we're going to mix our bleach in with our developer. You ready? Here we go. Here's a little bit of bleach. And we are going to watch it do its job. And I'm going to give this a little stir now that we have our oxidizer in there. And I want you guys to watch, because the first thing this is going to do is it's going to start pulling out the most dominant color, which is blue. That's right. So as you can see, adding that bleach, it is slowly decolorizing the hair. And this is how it works on real hair as well. We don't just add some bleach and it goes from brown or red or whatever straight to, you know, blonde. It actually has to go through a process. And as you can see, it's working. So first, it pulled out all of the blue pigment. Then it pulled out all of the red pigment. It may even still be working a little bit on the red. And now we're getting down into the yellow.